Hey everybody, Tim Jordan here from the Private Label Legion. Today I'm giving you a very brief explanation of what print on demand is in regards to Amazon. It's going to be Amazon merch. Before we get into the video, make sure that you check out the Private Label Legion Facebook group and make sure that you like this video and check out privatelabellegion.com for more cool free content. Everybody talks about print on demand, POD. And everybody that's wanting to sell on Amazon has come across some of these print on demand listings, maybe whether they realize it or not, or they've at least seen a reference to it in other groups. So print on demand through Amazon is through a program that they call Amazon Merch. It's like their own specific print on demand program. And joining me today is an Amazon merch expert, the homie, RJ Martinez. How you doing, buddy?
What's up, man? I'm doing good. Yeah, and thank you for having me on here. So Amazon print on demand, Amazon merch. So basically what it is, you're creating a design. Let's say you have a logo or you have a funny saying and you're putting it on a product, right? And the idea behind this is you're focusing more on the actual design itself, and Amazon is taking care of all the work for you. So let's say you put like, I love you long time, right? And you create the design. So you're focusing more on the design. When the customer comes onto the Amazon.com platform to make a purchase for, let's say, a standard t-shirt, right? Amazon prints, ships the actual product to the customer, right? And you're not holding any type of inventory. You're not holding, an extra large shirt, a large shirt, a purple shirt, or a black shirt. None of the colors neither. They're just shipping it to the customer. And you're not dealing with the customer service. Okay, that's a cool thing too as well. And you're just collecting the royalty off the top.
So if I was going to create a cool t-shirt logo, for example, I would have to get multiple sizes in the t-shirt, multiple colors, get them printed at a minimum order quantity, send them into Amazon or sell them on my website. With Amazon, they have the shirts, they have the printers. I just upload the design, essentially. They print it and they ship it for me, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
And what other products does Amazon merch have? I know they have t-shirts and they're rolling out some others. What other products can you get your stuff printed on?
So there's a standard t-shirt. The new ones that they just released is cell phones, Canva tote bags, throw pillows. There's sweatshirts, there's hoodies, there's tank tops, there's V-necks. And I'm just like, they're rolling out with more and more products every single year. I'm waiting for the coffee mugs. They should be coming pretty soon.
That'd be awesome.
That would be cool.
All right, so let me share my screen real quick and you tell me if what I'm looking at is correct. So me and my family last year got into like camping in a pop-up, right? So when I would go to Amazon and type up pop-up camper t-shirt, like to find something funny for my wife, what I would come up with is all these shirt offerings on Amazon. Now, RJ, these are all probably print on demand shirts, right?
Yes, they are. Some of them, you can see that one has the Amazon Choice badge. That means basically it's like almost like the best seller in the niche, and it's it's continuing selling over and over and over, and you're just leveraging Amazon's traffic and making money. You're not doing that then.
On this listing, there's all these different color shirts. There's men's and women's shirts, see a different cut, and the person that's selling this, their merch account, all they did was uploaded just that logo. Right? That's it. Just the artwork. Yeah. That's amazing. So lots of different options. And just so you know, RJ, this is the one I bought my wife. This is her camper rocking shirt. Let's get popping. That's pretty good, right?
That's cool.
All right. So I know that that a lot of you that are watching this YouTube channel, you're not, like deeply interested in print on demand. You just kind of want an overview. And that is the very light overview of Amazon merch print on demand. But if you want to find out a whole lot more specifically about print on demand, go check out RJ's content. RJ, where can they find your stuff at?
Yes, find me on YouTube. So there's RJ Martinez on YouTube. I mainly focus on that, and I provide a lot of content, a lot of value over there. And then on my other platforms too is RJ Hustles. I do TikTok content, and there's Instagram, and then I have a Facebook group too as well. Merch by Amazon Mastermind.
Okay, well, look below in the show notes. All of the links to everything that RJ just mentioned is there. Go check that out. Hopefully this video gave you a really just basic kind of overview, just so you know when people say Amazon merch, print on demand, kind of what we're talking about, how that relates to the whole Amazon private label game. Y'all give this video a quick thumbs up and share it around if you'd like, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, RJ.